Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. So, there's some helpful information. I wanted to talk about a gift that I sent out a couple of weeks ago. So, this shop called me up, told me that they were working on this 66 C-body. And of course it had that Bud disc brake system on there. And that Bud disc brake system can't do anything with it. It's basically scrap. People have been trying to circumvent that thing for decades. Toyota voters, but the problem is the calipers leak and sleeve and thousands. Anyway, it is a dead end. So, and those spindles and the ball joints and everything are unique. So, the only option that you have is to find you some later C-body disc brake spindles. And of course, that's not going to happen. If you've got 6 months or a year, that might happen. Might. That's what we used to do on the C-bodies for years when they were still available, and they were always rare as hell because they just didn't come with disc brakes back in the days, just like your B&E body cars. So the only alternative, there is only one alternative that is actually viable, and that's to put some original drum brake spindles on there with the correct ball joints and proceed from there. There is no other alternative. Zero. So, this shop called me up and told me about their situation, and well, good old boys, I felt inclined to help them out. And they were a little bit under the time frame and I told them that, we'd need new spindles and new ball joints. And some of this was done over the phone, and what I didn't realize was there's a landline and a text phone, so there was a little bit of miscommunication. But, yeah, a little bit of miscommunication. So, anyway, only reason I helped them out because I had one on the shelf that they had got backed up on the build and they didn't need it for a few weeks, and actually called them up. And they said that they would need one for a few weeks. They were doing this massive build. So I was able to come to the rescue, and I felt obligated because the folks really, there was no option. There is no option. And so, just getting factory C-body spindles alone in a timely fashion from anywhere in the United States is, a $400 mission, $200 a piece shipped to the door, and however long it takes to find them and get them shipped out and all that stuff. And of course, I thought that I had some laying around. Well, I did have one, but I ended up having to pull one off another car, which I just happened to have and stuff. So I quoted these people $12.95 to the door to solve their problem. And of course, you take out $100 for shipping for them big rotors and all that, so now you're down to $1,200. And then you take out $400 for the factory drum brake spindles, and now you get down to $800. And of course, they ran into problems because they tried to fit those other old ball joints on there and did a bunch of grinding and stuff, the tech told me. somebody should have called me and I would have said, uh-oh, but apparently Cantor Automotive that sells those ball joints for $150 a pair. Apparently my assistant texted that to the landline, so they never got it. And yada, yada, yada. So a couple things fell through. And then at the end, which is, it hasn't happened in at least a couple of years, we send out a lot of kits. Apparently one of the calipers was faulty and blown out. So I listened to that good old boy give me an education and tell me about his disappointments, which I listened to and stuff. So anyway, that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. Of course, now they want me to help them out with the calipers and stuff, and since they needed to buy another set, I understand that, and of course, anyway. My first reaction is, why don't you just box it all up and send it back to me? I got 4 or 5 people in line. That's my first reaction. So, anyway, I don't know. But anyway, I tried to be very helpful, as usual, get these folks out of a desperate situation in a timely fashion. And to be quite honest, I was the only one in the world that could come through. The only one. Because number one, nobody makes a kit that bolts onto that spindle, and I just happen to have some. And this day and time, you'd be chasing down a couple of C-body spindles for weeks, potentially. Weeks. So, anyway, I don't mind taking too much of the brunt, but just don't wear it out too deep. God bless you. God bless America, and happy Mopar.